Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 20. Add plan to Outlook calendar. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for works with a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Applications. Go to All Applications. Scroll to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now go to Microsoft Planner. Let's wait for that to load. Now click on Computer Science Videos. And the idea is to move your plan to your Outlook calendar. How will we do that? If we click on the three dots on the top right corner within the middle, we can add the plan to the Outlook calendar. What we will do is we will remove one plan which we do not require, delete. Click on the video 2 plan and let's change the date to a further date of today. Let's just say the 20th of October 2022. Click on X. That's okay. So these two plans are now due for the future. Now let's go back to three dots. Add plan to Outlook calendar. So we are now given with a prompt on screen that says add plan to Outlook calendar with an iCalendar feed. As a plan owner, you can allow team members to access plan tasks in Outlook by publishing this plan to an iCalendar feed. Don't publish or publish. Let's just say publish, share with anyone. And that's all done. Add to Outlook. This should now take us to our Outlook calendar. And we can now, if we click on import, and all your plan from Planner should be imported to the calendar within Outlook. So import. The import is in progress. We have successfully imported Planner-Computer Science Videos. If I now click on the X, we will then see the plan on the calendar. So I can now see that the plan from the planner has now all been imported to the calendar in Outlook. So video and video 2 are both there. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.